Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video I want to show you how to make a video pixelated on CapCut. So here I've already added a video on my CapCut, and what you need to do is you can go to effects and click on video effects, and here choose basic category, this one's right here, and just find the effect. So you can do pixel blur like this, but as you can see it's not really pixelized, I think. And so what you need to do is, you need to, okay, I'm going to delete it first. So you need to go to the video effects again and find the mosaic effects on the basic category. Okay, so this one's right here. As you can see, it's now more looks like a pixelated, and you can just adjust it. If you swipe it to the right, the pixel will be bigger, and if you swipe to the left, it will become smaller like this. So you can just adjust it as you like, and when you're done, just click on the check icon and set it until the end of the video. Okay, so that's basically it. That is how you can make a video pixelated on CapCut. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please don't forget to click on like, leave a comment, and also subscribe to our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye.